In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Namecheap access, a process that takes just about 5 minutes. Sharing access to your domains with others can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working with a team or managing multiple projects. Let's walk through the steps to do so safely and efficiently. First, you'll need to sign into your Namecheap account. You'll find the sign in option right in the header of the Namecheap homepage. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, navigate to the domain list section. You'll find this option conveniently located on the left sidebar of your dashboard. After reaching the domain list, you should see a list of all the domains you currently manage. Identify the specific domain for which you want to share access and click the Manage button next to it. This will guide you to the domain management page where you can make necessary changes. Now, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Sharing and Transfer tab. This section is crucial for managing access to your domain. Look for the Share Access section within this tab. Here, you will need to input the new manager's email address or their Namecheap username into the new manager field. Once you've done that, simply click the Add button. This action will initiate the process of granting them access. A defining feature of Namecheap's access sharing system is the ability to customize which settings your new manager can edit. This ensures you maintain control over what changes they can make. So take a moment to carefully choose which settings they can access. It's a helpful feature if you want to restrict access to only certain areas of your domain settings. Sharing access can save you significant time since your new manager can make changes directly. However, it's important to keep in mind that for security reasons, it's not advisable to share access to all settings. Carefully consider the permissions you grant to protect your domain. Once you're satisfied with the access level you've chosen, you'll need to confirm your decision. This is done by entering your account password in the appropriate field. This step ensures that the sharing request is legitimate and authorized by you. After entering your password, the access sharing setup is complete. And there you have it. Your new manager now has access to the domain settings you selected. Sharing your Namecheap access efficiently and securely is that simple. Always remember to manage and review access settings regularly to maintain the security of your domains. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.